Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. Of course, I always say thank you to my online friends. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always supporting me. And I have a confession. For the last 3 or 4 weeks, maybe even more, I haven't replied to any of your comments. I'm going to, okay? I'm getting there. I promise. My new subscribers, I see all of you. Welcome, okay? Let's get on with it, okay? Today's video, as you've seen in the title, I'm going to be doing a silk press, which means I'm going to be putting heat on my hair. I wasn't going to be putting heat on my hair until the next year. So much for that, eh? The last time I straightened my hair, I thought I was doing a silk press, but darling, I wasn't doing it at all. I've watched a ton of videos, so much so that I ended up spending a little bit of coin, you know, a little more than I wanted to. So I want to welcome you to this brand. For those of you who've never seen this brand before, this is a Chi or Chai brand. And to get a silk press, that bomb silk press, why not go to the best? Whenever I'm doing these comparison or trying other brands, they're never $24.99. So this is the Chai or Chi Silk Infusion. This particular brand is dedicated for strengthening the hair. It's like a treatment. It's like a reconstruction. It also strengthens the hair. It gives the hair shine. It protects the hair. Charlie, it better be good. I might just use it on my wash and goes. So this is a treatment, but it is a conditioner. So after you've shampooed your hair, you put this on your hair, keep it on 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it out. I'd also like to mention that these are paraben free. I do not know what the ingredients are, because I just can't. I can't read it, it's too small, the granny eyes. I'm also going to be using this John Frieda. On most silk presses, I've seen people pick up the John Frieda, one of the John Frieda products, and I thought I would get this one. This one is part of the Frizz Ease collection, and it is supposed to keep the hair straight for at least 3 days. 3 days. Do you know my hair? Are you sure if this works? We are going to see. It is a straightening spray, and it also doubles up as a heat protectant. This particular formulation has keratin in it, which is what I like. I want something that's going to build up my strands. We're gonna see. Okay, let's go. Oh, before I forget, I decided to buy, now this is not a particular known brand, and the reason why I got this one is because I saw the reviews on Amazon and it was overwhelmingly good. People got some really great results from this straightener. It's also got some great technology to it. It's got works on the basis of nanotechnology. I don't know what that is. I just read the box. I thought I'd give it a go. It was only $24 or $26.99, one of the two. But nevertheless, you know, within a good budget. It does have a heat dial as well, which was another plus. And this is a 1-inch straightener, so. All right, that is not bad. That is a really good deal, actually. I'm impressed, and I have a 1-year warranty. I'll leave the details in the description bar below for y'all. Well, it's been wet all day in a shower cap, and also in that microfiber towel. Oh, my hair feels really warm. I've washed my hair, but I haven't put any conditioner on it. Washed my hair with an African black soap, broccoli seed oil and sandalwood shampoo by Amaré-Me, and it's given me a nice definition as always, and left my hair really clean, nice and clean, but not stripped. As you can see, it's still shiny. It's still got some bounce. So I'm gonna go away off camera and put this on my hair. Let's smell it, shall we? I wonder if it smells of chemical. Oh, that smells good. Oh no, that smells really nice. I'm going to be putting this on my hair, and it says to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. I'll rinse it off, and then I'll apply these two. This is really thick, okay? Let me just show you. It's nice and thick. Oh, that looks good, right? Not only does it smell nice, but I love a conditioner that's thick. Yes. By the way, if you do want to watch my wash day routine, I do have an updated one I did this year. I'll leave it up here for you. I just didn't want this video to be too long, okay? So let me go, I'll come back. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Oh, and oh, look at that, look at that. Did you see? And that sinks right into your hair. Oh my goodness, I love this already. Oh, that smells good. All right, so it looks like I'm doing this on camera. My hair is still damp, so that's good enough for me. I feel like I'm using it a lot. So I'm just going to wrap that up in a little bun. Keep it on for another 2 minutes. By the time I get to the bathroom, I will rinse it out and come back. Okay, right, I'm back. My hair smells lovely. This stuff smells good, but I must say, I don't have thick hair and I don't have high density hair. Some of you who have that beautiful thick hair and high density, this is going to be one go for you, one shot, because even though it's thick, it doesn't spread very well, but it smells amazing. It's not curled my hair, but it's left a nice little, I don't know, something on my hair. It didn't dry out to my hair, that's for sure. So the next step I need to do is just apply the Silk Infusion and the John Frieda 3-day stay spray, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair. So I don't want my hair to be completely wet, but I want it to be at the damp stage. I'm going to be using the Rev Air because it does my hair very fast. It does stretch my hair quite a bit. All right, I think that's done it. My hair is high porosity, so it dries very quickly. So I'm going to put this in, the Chai Silk Infusion. Let's crack this. Oh, it smells the same. That's lovely. Lovely. I like that. Oh, it feels nice. It does feel like silk. Oh, it smells lovely. Hopefully, curls. I'm hoping that my curls, I will not see you until another 2 to 3 weeks' time. Right, so you're supposed to put this on. Apply the spray evenly throughout damp or wet hair. Just as well, I was going to do it on my dry hair. So I'm going to do my ends first because this is the protectant. So as well as this, I've got 2 protectants effectively in my hair. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this one up and do the next one. Okay, so I've applied it all now. I'm going to take out the sections and just do the Rev Air. Shine on that is good, and it actually feels really light on my hair. It doesn't feel so heavy, although I do have a lot of this on. There's a slight waxy feel, but I think that's going to protect my hair. Again, I like silicone-y type of products on my hair if I am going to put heat on it. So anyway, I'm just going to continue, do this side, and then we're going to put the heat on. Okay, all right, so this is pretty straight. If I'm going to do a silk press, it's never going to be really nice unless those ends come off, is it really? So at least I'm going to be able to see what needs to come off. Yeah, some of that needs to come off. I mean, yeah. Anyway, we want health over length, right girls? We want health over length. Okay, right, I was reading the instructions for fine hair. It's 70 to 90 degrees, so I'm gonna go no more than 190. That's 170, that's 190. I'm not gonna go higher than that because otherwise I will fry my hair, and that's not happening. I don't know if I'm frightened or scared, I don't know. I could just stop here, do you know what I mean? Why go any further, Mel? No. We've committed, let's go. Right, we're gonna go with this brush, which is a little beard brush, which I use. The bristles they look stronger and tougher than they are, but it's a decent pull. It'll keep the hair under submission. And I have no idea how many passes, probably just 1 or maybe 2. I hope you can see, because I don't care about you right now. I've got to look in the mirror for myself. So I'm going extremely slow, so that I only have to do 1 pass. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Oh! Charlie! Oh, that looks good. Oh, that's exciting. I'm going to leave that right there. One pass, extremely slow. All right, let's go. Right, so from now onwards, I have to concentrate, so I can't talk, all right? You just watch it. Hey. All right, let's not get too excited because we haven't finished it yet. Oh my goodness, can you see this? Can you see this? Oh, I've got my Pocahontas moment. Oh, that looks good. Now I've got to cut some of these ends. Right, it's not flowing like I want it to, like a proper silk press. And I think it's because the ends are slightly dead. Not slightly dead, there's quite a lot of dead ends. So I'm going to take a little bit off the ends. A lot better. I'm just going to go over it again. Now what I do think is that my hair, I put too much of the silk infusion in because it feels sticky on my hair. So take note, if you've got fine strands like mine, you don't want to put as much as I did in. I mean, I really laid it on. You just want to put a small amount on. So I think it's weighed down my hair quite some. But apart from that, I'm still happy with this. This is a nice silk press. And my hair feels amazing, absolutely amazing. How I maintain it, you're gonna have to see. And if it does last, and I get the hang of how to keep my hair straight, bone straight, without applying any more heat throughout the 2 weeks, I'll upload a video on how I wrap it and keep my hair straight. We'll see. All I'm saying is, I'm sweating now. How am I going to last the night? How am I going to last the night? How am I going to do it? Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. You take care and God bless you. Bye.